channel. Today we're working on Ricky's shitbox. So have a look at the bumper. That's what happens when you try and do a skid and you don't know how to.
I didn't do that.
Today we're going to be installing the Sunstrip for him. I'm still in my work here. Let's see how it goes. First attempt failed. Bob round two. That's a Sunstrip installed on the MX5. It's got a lot more parts on order for this car. If you want to see some more content on it, be sure to like, comment and subscribe. See you later.